Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel, which aims at simplifying the pharmacy subjects and allied health sciences subjects. Let us study the effects of drugs on rabbit eye. Before entering into the subject, let us know the nervous supply of the eyes. They are innervated with the autonomic nervous system. The radial muscles are innervated with sympathetic nerves, and circular muscles are innervated with parasympathetic nerves. Contraction of the radial muscles by sympathetic stimulation or adrenaline causes dilation of pupil or increase in size of the pupil called as mydriasis. And contraction of the circular muscles by parasympathetic nerves or acetylcholine leads to reduction in the size of the pupil called miosis. So how to the rabbits are used for this experiment. They are kept in the rabbit holders. Their eyelashes are trimmed for the study purpose, and the drugs are applied in the conjunctival sac. The size of the pupil will be measured. Light reflex will be measured with light source. Cotton will be used to check the corneal reflex, and ocular pressure can be determined with the help of tonometer. Usually one eye is kept as control and the one eye is kept as test for administration of drugs. Adrenaline 1%, phenylephrine 5%, ephedrine 5%, amphetamine 1%, and cocaine 1%. All these things are cause alpha 1 agonism, which lead to mydriasis or increase in size of the pupil, which is evident from this picture. Apart from this, atropine 0.5% and homatropine also causes mydriasis because they are muscarinic antagonists. The next set of drugs which cause meiosis or constriction of the pupil size are acetylcholinesterase inhibitors such as physostigmine and pilocarpine. Morphine through Edinger-Westphal nucleus causes pinpoint pupils or reduction in the size of the pupils. Actually, morphine is not absorbed topically. This effect is observed in injectable drug users, which causes constriction of or pinpoint pupils in case of drug abusers of morphine. Light reflex can be checked with the help of when light is passed on the eyes, it tries to close, the rabbit tries to close its eyes. Muscarinic antagonists like atropine and homatropine cause loss of light reflex. They also cause loss of accommodation, that is adjusting our eyes for a fixed object. It is useful for ocular examination of the eyes. There is only one drug which causes no change in the pupil size when it is administered, and that is lignocaine 1% ocular administration. The next is checking the corneal reflex with the help of cotton on the eyes. Local anesthetics cause loss of corneal reflex. Cocaine 1% and lignocaine 1% causes loss of corneal reflex because of topical anesthesia. The next is intraocular pressure. Actually, eye pressure normally it is 15 to 20 mm of mercury. When it crosses this, it is called increase in the intraocular pressure, which is called glaucoma. For these drugs, it could be checked. Let us see the drugs which causes reduction in the intraocular pressure. Adrenaline, physostigmine, pilocarpine, cocaine, all these things cause a reduction of the intraocular pressure. Phenylephrine causes a small decrease in the intraocular pressure. Amphetamine increases the intraocular pressure, so it is contraindicated in glaucoma patients. So this small nutshell information of the drugs acting on the rabbit eyes. I hope it will be useful for the pharmacy students. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further videos and encourage us. Thank you.